This one is Fitkiri. Wash it nicely. This one Fitkiri for pigeon eye infection. Now little bit of boiling water to cure pigeon eye infection. So this much is enough. So it's little warm. So this one is little bit of boiled water. So we put this fitkiri, this one in the glass. So we put this warm water. So we keep it for like 1 minute, and we need this one. And this one is C drop, eye drop, C drop, eye drop. And the fitkiri is like getting little bit melted in warm water. So we keep fitkiri in water for like 1 minute, 2 minutes. So after this one, we have to put this one inside the water, and we clean the eye of the pigeon. So this one is for pigeon eye infection care. It give a very good result. First of all, we clean eye with this water when it is like little bit cold with the help of this one earbud. And then after cleaning the eye, then we put this one drop in each eye, and it's very good result. Very good result for pigeon eye infection. Now after like 1-2 minutes, we pour the water in another clean glass. So fitkiri is here, this one. So you can use this one for afterwards. So it is fitkiri mixed water. So we use just two of this one deep inside. So we leave it for like 1 minute, 30 seconds, 20 seconds. So turn over. Another one is also. So this one, turn it over another side. So the water is gonna soak it. So from this earbud, we clean the pigeon eye, infection eye. Then after we put this one C drop, just one drop and you have to do 3 times in a day. In one day you have to do 3 times, then after 3 times you're gonna see a good result. After one day you're gonna see good result. So separate this one in two glass. One is for infection eye and one is for non-infection eye. So first of all I have to clean non-infection eye. So this is non-infection eye. So is Fitkiri mix water, you can see. So now this one is non-infection eye, not infected. It's like Fitkiri water. So this one is done. So you just separate it, put it in another place. So this one is C drop. So just give 1 drop or 2 drop. This one is finished one. So this one, new one. So 1 drop or 2 drop. So heat on the top, slowly on the head, so the medicine will go inside eye. So this one, this eye is infected one, so this one is the for infected one. Look. So this one is the infected eye. Now this one 1 or 2 drop. So you have to do like 3 times a day, same thing, and eye infection of the pigeon will be cured. Thank you. Thank you for watching. Bye. So this one and this one should be thrown away, otherwise the virus, eye infection, other birds will also get it. So just dispose it and wash your hand before touching other any bird, otherwise other bird will also get eye infection.